Hey guys, Cast72 here. Hope everyone's doing well. So on this video, guys, I did a YouTube video of this build that you see here in front of you a while back, and unfortunately it's just time for an upgrade. You know, with the software upgrades that come at random and change of times, this PC can handle for the most part my workflow, but it kind of lags here and there slightly, and I just needed something that I can, you know, rely on and somewhat be up to date. I'll put the specs up here on the difference between what this PC you're looking at has in it versus what I'm upgrading on the right. So it'll be split into left and right. Left being what I've already got, right being the upgrade. And then we'll go from there. I just wanted to share this upgrade with you guys. So hope you enjoy the video. And yeah, let's go ahead and get started. And so here, guys, now that I've got it out of the shell, basically you're looking at my Radeon MSI 580 graphics card at 8 gigabytes running DDR5 memory. I got the black edition, so it's overclockable. You have my H60 Corsair cooler made for both AMD and Intel CPUs. Speaking about the CPU, I'm running an AMD Athlon X4 880K running at 4.2 gigahertz. It's got turbo abilities, so that's the max turbo on it. I'm running G-Skill DDR3 8 gigabytes at 2133 gigahertz. And the motherboard is basically a Gigabyte GA-F2A 88XN with built-in Wi-Fi. Like I said, this PC did me really well, but because of software upgrades over time, and you know, like everything else, technology advances pretty quick. It can handle for the most part what I need, but for my workflow, I really like things that run smooth, fast, and quick. Time is of the essence for me on a day-to-day basis, so I really need something to a little bit more beefier. So that's why I went with this upgrade. So anyway, let's continue on. And so here, guys, I had thought about just doing an open case PC, uh, and I was going to use the original ATX case that you see here in front of you. It didn't look too bad in my honest opinion. I was going to bare bones it a little more. I was going to get rid of the front bezel and the top assembly and just kind of leave the cage. But then I realized, you know, I, I, I made a small investment on this, and you know, we all know what dust does to electronic devices, so I figured maybe it's not such a good idea, but it sure would have looked kind of nice in my opinion. So I didn't go with that thought after all, but it was something I was just thinking about. That's what you're seeing here in front of you. But so yeah, let's go ahead and continue on. And so with that idea not being such a good one about an open case, I went ahead and got a mid-tower case made by Thermaltake. It's the H200 TG model. On the top, it's got your 3.0 USB ports, your mic, your headset, your power button on the left, and there's also a small circular button which changes the LED color sequence on the left side right near the door opening, or the glass door opening. Speaking of which, I like the fact that I'm able to open it this easy in case I ever need to change anything out, or just give it a good blowing if it ever gets with compressed air, if it ever gets dust. Hopefully it won't, right guys? It's got this nice magnetic mesh on top which holds pretty well. There's also one on the very bottom. Easy cleaning, easy access. The easier the better. And continue putting it all together, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like once everything's kind of set up. And then here guys, I just want to show you what the upgrades consist of, which is the AMD Ryzen 5 3600. It's a 6-core CPU, 4.2 gigahertz at maximum boost, which has a 32 megabyte level 3 cache, the B450 Tomahawk system board for AMD, and then I'm running the Vengeance LPX made by Corsair at 16 gigabytes, running at 3.0 gigahertz DDR4 memory. And then I also included a 1 terabyte hard drive, or 2 terabyte. And then here's just the layout of everything before I start assembling it all together. Alright guys, we'll keep going. And then here's just a light show for you guys to see what it looks like at night. Here I hadn't put the inner case LEDs. I just wanted to show you the fascia. Basically, like I said, there's a little circular button on top, and you can alter the colors. You can have them fade, have them breathe, and then you can also have the ability to do kind of like rainbow effect. It's pretty cool. Looks pretty nice. Just wanted to show you guys that. That pretty much sums up the video, guys. Just wanted to share with you the upgrade I did, and then of course what the outcome and how it all looked. And pretty simple, nothing major. Just going to help me out with workflow and make things a little bit speedier for me in the process. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, guys, and as always, appreciate it. Peace out.